Hello, this is Will from GWA Auto. I'm here with the AA ignition replacement spindle assembly set. If your lawnmower is experiencing grinding noises during operation, or you're just having difficulty operating the blades, you may need one of our new spindle assembly sets. Our assemblies are made with an upgraded mechanism for longevity, high quality pulley, high quality hardware. It's a factory replacement part with a lifetime replacement warranty. Also in the box you will find 4 brand new bolts for each assembly. Our spindle assemblies are compatible with lawnmowers by MTD, Troy-Bilt, and Cub Cadet. Models CC30, ZT-42, TB30, and TB30R, and more. Thanks for choosing GWA Auto, and have a great day.